Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned future continuous tense in Tulu. Today we are going to learn when and while sentences in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. So far we have learned all the tenses in Tulu. Normally, when and while are used with past and future perfect or continuous tense to express the time at which action takes place. Look at these sentences. I was eating lunch when he came. I had seen him when I was in Mangalore. While I was reading, he was watching TV. I will be waiting for you when your bus arrives. I will have learned Tulu when I return Bangalore. We are going to learn these types of sentences today. As you see in the first example, we have the word when and two different tenses. We have past continuous tense at one side and simple past tense at the other side. But in Tulu, we do not need to use two tenses. Instead, we add the suffix aga to the root verb with additional na sound in between. This form can be used with any tense. The suffix aga is derived from the adverb apaga, which means that time or then. Let us see an example now. Malpu means do or make. Malpu plus na plus aga, malpu naga, means when making or when doing or while making or doing. Tu means see. Tu plus na plus aga, tu naga, means when seeing or while seeing. Baru means come. Baru plus na plus aga, ban naga, when coming or while coming. Leppu means call. Leppu plus na plus aga, leppu naga, means when calling or while calling. Uppu means be. Uppu plus na plus aga, uppu naga, when being or while being. Okay, now let us translate above 5 sentences to Tulu. First one, I was eating lunch when he came. I was eating lunch. In Tulu it will be Yanu unonditte. I was eating lunch. Yanu unonditte. He came. Aye batte. Aye batte means he came. When he came. Aye bannaga. Aye bannaga. So the whole sentence will be Aye bannaga yan unonditte. I was eating lunch when he came. Aye bannaga yan unonditte. Second one is I had seen him when I was in Mangalore. I had seen him. In Tulu it will be Yan ayenu tuditte. Yan ayenu tuditte. I was in Mangalore. Yan kudladu itte. Yan kudladu itte. When I was in Mangalore. In Tulu it will be Yan kudladu uppunaga. Yan kudladu uppunaga. The whole sentence will be Yan kudladu uppunaga ayenu tuditte. Yan kudladu uppunaga ayenu tuditte. I had seen him when I was in Mangalore. Third one, while I was reading, he was watching TV. I was reading. In Tulu it will be Yan odonditte. While I was reading. Yan odonduppunaga. Yan odonduppunaga. He was watching TV. I TV tuonditte. The whole sentence will be Yanu odonduppunaga I TV tuonditte. While I was reading, He was watching TV. ಯಾನು ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪುನಗ ಆಯಿ TV ತೂವೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ. Okay, fourth one. I will be waiting for you when bus arrives. I will be waiting for you. In Tulu, it will be ಯಾನ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. ಯಾನ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. Your bus arrives. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು. When your bus arrives. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಬನ್ನಗ. The whole sentence will be ನಿನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಬನ್ನಗ ಯಾನ್ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. I will be waiting for you when your bus arrives. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಬನ್ನಗ ಯಾನ್ ನಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. Fifth one. I will have learned Tulu when I return Bangalore. I will have learned Tulu. ಯಾನು ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತುದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. ಯಾನು ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತುದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. I return Bangalore. ಯಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಪಿರಪೋಪೆ. When I return Bangalore. ಯಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಪಿರಪೋನಗ. The whole sentence will be ಯಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಪಿರಪೋನಗ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತುದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. I will have learned Tulu when I return Bangalore. ಯಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಪಿರಪೋನಗ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ತುದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. Okay, let us see few more example sentences now. ಯಾನು ತೂನಗ ಆಲು ಪೋವಂದಿತ್ತಲ್. She was going when I saw her. ಯಾನು ತೂನಗ ಆಲು ಪೋವಂದಿತ್ತಲ್. ಎನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಬನ್ನಗ ಯಾನು ಜೆತದಿತ್ತೆ. I was sleeping when my friend arrived. ಎನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಬನ್ನಗ ಯಾನು ಜೆತದಿತ್ತೆ. ಯಾನು ಪೋನಗ ಅಕುಲು ಓದೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್. They were studying when I went. ಯಾನು ಪೋನಗ ಅಕುಲು ಓದೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್. ಯಾನು ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪುನಗ ಕರೆಂಟು ಪೋಂಡು. When I was reading, the power went off. ಯಾನು ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪುನಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪೋಂಡು. ಆಯ್ ಲೆಪ್ಪುನಗ ಬತ್ತಿಜೆ. He did not come when I called him. ಆಯ್ ಲೆಪ್ಪುನಗ ಬತ್ತಿಜೆ. ಯಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಡುಪ್ಪುನಗ TV ತೂವೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. I will be watching TV when I am home. ಯಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಡುಪ್ಪುನಗ TV ತೂವೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. ಯಾನು ಊರುಗು ಬನ್ನಗ ನಿಕ್ಕು ತಿಕ್ಕುವೆ. I will meet you when I come to the village or town. ಯಾನು ಊರುಗು ಬನ್ನಗ ನಿಕ್ಕು ತಿಕ್ಕುವೆ. ಯಾನು ಪನ್ನಗ ಕೇಂಡಿಜ. You did not listen when I told you. ಯಾನು ಪನ್ನಗ ಈ ಕೇಂಡಿಜ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕನಗ ಪಾತೆರ್ಗ. Let us talk when we meet tomorrow. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕನಗ ಪಾತೆರ್ಗ. ಯಾನು ಲೆಪ್ಪುನಗ ಬಲ. Come when I call. ಯಾನು ಲೆಪ್ಪುನಗ ಬಲ. ಅಕುಲು ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪುನಗ ಪದ ಪಣ್ಣೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್. They were singing while working. ಅಕುಲು ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪುನಗ ಪದ ಪಣ್ಣೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್. ಯಾನು ಪಾತೆರ್ನಗ ಮನಿಪಂದೆ ಕುಲ್ಲು. Be quiet when I am speaking. ಯಾನು ಪಾತೆರ್ನಗ ಮನಿಪಂದೆ ಕುಲ್ಲು. ಉನ್ನಗ ಪಾತೆರೊಡ್ಚಿ. Don't speak while eating. ಉನ್ನಗ ಪಾತೆರೊಡ್ಚಿ. ನಿಕ್ಕು ಪುರ್ಸೊತ್ತಾನಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಲ್ಪು. Call me when you have time. ನಿಕ್ಕು ಪುರ್ಸೊತ್ತಾನಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಲ್ಪು. Okay, there is one more method to make when and while sentences in Tulu. That is adjective participle plus apaga. Apaga means that time or then. This form can have different tenses, but mostly use it with past tense. Let us see an example. Varu means come. Barpina is present adjectival participle. Barpina plus apaga, barpinapaga. When someone or something comes. Battina is past adjectival participle. Battina plus apaga, battinapaga. When someone or something came. Tu means see. Tuina is past adjectival participle. Tuina plus apaga, tuinapaga. when someone or something saw. Panu means say. Pandina is past adjectival participle. Pandina plus apaga, pandinapaga, when someone or something said. Yan lettinappaga aaye battije. He did not come when I called. Yan lettinappaga aaye battije. Yan tuyinappaga avulu erla ittije. When I saw no one was there. Yan tuyinappaga avulu erla ittije. Aar illade battinappaga yan ittije. I was not there when he or she came home. Aar illade battinappaga yan ittije. This form is also used with negative verbs. Example, baru means come. Barandina is negative adjectival participle. Barandina plus apaga, barandinapaga, when someone or something did not come or when someone or something does not come. Tu means see. Tuvandina is negative adjectival participle. Tuvandina plus apaga, tuvandinapaga, when someone or something did not see, when someone or something does not see. Panu means say or tell. Panandina is negative adjectival participle. Panandina plus apaga, panandinapaga, when someone or something did not say or when someone or something does not say. Malpu means do or make. Malpandina is negative adjectival participle. Malpandina plus apaga, malpandinapaga, when someone or something did not do or when someone or something does not do. Uppu means be. Uppandina or ijjandina is negative adjectival participle. Uppandina plus apaga, uppandinapaga, or ijjandina plus apaga, ijjandinapaga means when someone or something wasn't or when someone or something isn't. Yan ijjandinapaga dadandu, what happened in my absence or what happened when I was not there. Yan barandinapaga ennabela ir malpulai, do my work when I don't come. Yan barandinapaga ennabela ir malpulai. Aar paterandinapaga yan paterve, I will speak when he or she does not speak. Aar paterandinapaga yan paterve. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn conditional mode or if clause in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.